This is the Honda Clarity. If it says you need to replace the cabin air filter, which is service code 2, if I'm not mistaken, in these cars, you need to do the following. Like in many Honda cars, you need to open the glove box first. Then the next step is here you have the special holder for this glove box. So you need to press here. Once you press it, it disengages. And then what you need to do, you need to simultaneously press inside the two walls here of the glove box, and the glove box will go down. And once the glove box is down, you have the access to the cabin air filter here. Here is the cover. Just press it inwards, press the locks inwards. And here you should have the cabin air filter, but in this car, as you see, I don't have one. So just install the air filter and make sure that the airflow arrows on the filter are down if you have them. If the filter is important for your filter, it will have arrows, and you need to put them arrows facing down.